Please hold on. This train is departing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am traveling to Orlando for a few days with my family, but right now it is, I gotta charge my phone, but it is 7:29 and we board at 8:15. I got some Starbucks because I'm kind of hungry. Yeah, I got some Starbucks. I did the mobile app because that one was stupid. But we got a caramel ice white mocha, extra vanilla, sweet cream foam, no whip, caramel drizzle, and I forgot to say no caramel crunch because I got it last night and I didn't like it. Then I got a banana one. So that's what we're about to do. I brought my Kindle and stuff, so I'll probably read on the plane and probably read it now for real. But yeah, it's really pretty out here. So, but I'll see you. I will talk to y'all later. Yeah, should have said no caramel crunch. And they put it in like a frappuccino thing today. Weird.
Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Pull the wrench strapped over the container and remove the pouch.
So I made it. Waiting on my parents to come pick me up. But I'm in Orlando. I have my auntie parents just waiting here. I need to fetch my child on. And yeah, I woke up at 5 in the morning. So early. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe down below. Bye guys. Peace.